Let us invite Ms. Chloe Lee, Digital Sustainable Transport. Her report is entitled New Business Operation Model and Full Lifecycle Intelligent Management of Commercial EV. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ms. Chloe.
So I want to say good afternoon, everyone, but I checked the time. I should say good evening. So hello, everyone. I'm Chloe from DST. First, I want to say thanks to ITS and Kevin for inviting us to be here and shared how DST leveraged the digitalization and full life cycle management to create a new business model for digital operation service of new energy logistic vehicles. I see. So I say today there are some old friends of DST and the new partners among the guests. Please allow me to introduce DST for a moment. Yes. So our company's name is 地上铁 in Chinese, and in English it means Digital, Sustainable and Transport. So DST also the capital letter of 地上铁. And we are not only the leader in the commercial EV sector, but also a steadfast company and promoter of green transformation and sustainable development. So after we established in 2015, after 9 years working in this industry and contribute to its industry, right now we are the #1 market share company in commercial EV operational industrial. On these slides, we have listed several important achievements of our company. As of September 2024, DST has successfully deployed and operated over 140,000 new energy logistic vehicles nationwide, and with a service network covering more than 200 cities. Over 1,300 service outlets we have successfully output in the nationwide. So we have provided unprecedentedly efficient and green transportation experience to over 6,700 enterprise clients and 400,000 driver users. Even more excitingly, we have achieved and successfully integrated over 1.4 million charging piles on our system, which can lead us to provide precisely charging solutions for our clients. And also, DST has contributed crucially to the green transportation revolution in more than 20 cities. So on these slides, I would like to introduce our business model to you guys. So DST's core competitiveness is integrated offline and online service platform. This innovation model not only connects upstream and downstreams of the industrial chain, but also optimizes resource allocation from a holistic perspective, resharpening the industrial value chain. We work closely with the upstream OEMs to promote standardization of vehicles and key components, enhancing production efficiency and delivery speed. So as you can see, first, we have collaborated with the OEMs to produce the standardization vehicles, and then we will deliver the product through leasing and sales service to our clients. So the next is a very important step. As you know, running and operating or managing a fleet is very complicated, and it will cost a huge amount of money for a logistic company. So what DST done is to bring the easiest and the most efficient way for our clients to use their vehicles. So about our operation steps, it's including charging, maintenance, insurance, and asset management. So we call it one-stop solution and worry-free service. So all these services will creating values for our customer. And most importantly, our operation steps help our clients to increase and improve their management efficiency and reduce their management costs. So on next page, also a very important thing about DST. So furthermore, DST delves deep into the aftermarket, leveraging a robust full data platform to build a technology-driven digital intelligent operation system. So on our system, we have built numerous modules for our clients to manage their vehicle easily. So as you can see, we have set vehicle fault alarm, dangerous driving alerts, and our clients will easily find their vehicle situation on our system because we have installed the T-box before the vehicle produced. So all the vehicle's data will transmit back to the systems backstage and help our clients easily to see how this vehicle running. So it also can help the clients to have the specifically and precisely report about the vehicle. So this system realizes, refine full life cycle management of the new energy logistic vehicles from acquisition to retirement, effectively enhancing asset residual value management, promoting the intensification and scale development, promoting the development of the entire industry, and isolating the popularization of new energy logistic vehicles in urban freight transport. So here we list some clients of our company in China, meaning they are the top companies in this logistic industry. And on the right side, we have a list of top financial and strategic investors worldwide. So the most important thing is on the bottom. So we have a list very clearly overseas steps. So for this year and next year, we are mainly focused on the market of Hong Kong, SEA, UAE, Saudi, and Australia. And here is all the new energy logistic vehicles we have running on our platform, which is from the Mini 1 to light duty truck. So all these products can apply in multiple scenarios and fulfill the needs of our clients. So the very important thing is that DST has observed now many countries have started the electrification process. So which is a very good opportunity for us to promote our business to overseas. But still we have found several pinpoints in overseas electrification, such as product supply chains, vehicle selection, residual value management, and maintenance capabilities. So we think DST has a mature experience in providing solutions to accelerate the electrification in China. So we also can apply the same model overseas. To achieve this goal, DST has formulated an overseas development plan. So first, we will bring our rich experience in vehicle selection and specification to local end users, helping them to choose the suitable new energy logistic vehicles more precisely. Second, we will establish in digital connect vehicle platform and providing an advanced vehicle management platform for our clients. So we will assist the local clients in optimizing residual value management based on our asset management solutions. Through our full data platform and accumulated experience, we will help the partner better understand and optimize residual value management. enhancing asset value. Currently, we have already collaborated with our partner, EVOS, and the local enterprise, Animal, and Hala Auto, so in the Middle East region. So we hope to work closely with local partners through the SLS model, which is subscription, licensing, service. So we want to use this model to jointly promote local electrification and corporate ESG goals. This model will significantly reduce the initial investment cost of our clients, improve operational efficiency, and foster a sustainable development of green logistics. So above all is my presentation for today. So DST is willing to collaborate with the local company to promote the electrification process. So if you have any questions about DST or any question about our business model, please feel free to talk with me after this session. And thank you all.